Alright guys, we are back in Buffalo Gap. I've got my camp ovens out here. Got a spider, got a really old camp oven there. And then over here we've got the pig watching out stuff. Then we've got our lodges. We got our 12SK, 10SK, some couple of older pieces. More lodges, just a mixture of different sizes. Then we'll get down to the good stuff. Got some stuff down here, like a Arc Logo Lodge, the Martins. Got some Griswolds. Got some Wagners. Got a cool little old number 6. Then we come over here. We've got a lot of round griddles. Got some really old round griddles. Got a pizza pan back there. Got some waffle irons. Some little stoves. A lamp. Got some of the Lodge pretty skillets. Then we get to our Dutch ovens. We've got some Lodges. We've got some Wagners in the back. We've got an old unmarked Wagner fryer. Got a Foster fryer. Got an Iron Mountain Dutch oven over there. Then we've got some Le Creuset stuff right here. Then we've got some baking stuff. We got the different baking pans. Got a couple of the pineapples. And then we come up here. We've got a little grill. Then we got our Sportsman grill. Then we got a couple of cool coolers that have the spinning tops just for like hunting and fishing and stuff. So that's it, guys. We're set up. Hopefully we do good today. Y'all have a great one.